Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence, or AI, will shape the future of humanity? Take a moment and think about the world around us. The world of today is vastly different from what it was even a decade ago, and one of the driving forces behind this change is technology. Artificial intelligence, in particular, has surged to the forefront of this technological revolution, becoming an integral part of our lives. From performing mundane tasks to making complex decisions, AI is everywhere. It's in our phones, helping us navigate through the city, suggesting what to watch next on our favorite streaming platforms, and even assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases. AI has made our lives easier, more efficient, and in many ways more interesting. But as much as AI has the potential to revolutionize our world, it also holds the power to disrupt it. The rapid advancement of AI technology is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it promises a future of increased productivity, convenience, and even potential breakthroughs in fields like healthcare and climate change. On the other hand, it poses serious questions about job displacement, privacy, security, and even the very essence of what it means to be human. The future of AI is both exciting and daunting. It's like standing on the edge of a precipice, not quite sure whether the step will lead us to a utopia of technological marvels or a dystopia of machines ruling over humans. But fear not. While the future holds many unknowns, it's also full of possibilities. And it's up to us, as a society, to navigate these unknowns, to harness the potential of AI while mitigating its risks. In this video, we will explore the good, the bad, and the unknown about AI and what it means for our future. So buckle up, because we're in for a fascinating ride into the future of AI, the future of us. If you enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. AI has the potential to revolutionize our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Picture this: a world where doctors can predict health issues before they arise. Artificial intelligence, or AI, holds the promise of predictive healthcare. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and risks that might be missed by the human eye. It could alert us to potential heart disease or cancer years before it becomes critical. Imagine the lives that could be saved, the suffering that could be avoided. Now, let's turn our minds to the realm of education. The traditional one-size-fits-all approach to learning is increasingly being challenged, and AI is at the forefront of this revolution. Personalized education, tailored to the unique needs and abilities of each student, is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality within our grasp. AI can analyze a student's learning style, speed, and areas of strength and weakness, then adapt the curriculum accordingly. The result? A learning experience that truly caters to the individual, fostering a love for learning and nurturing potential like never before. And let's not forget about our work lives. The rise of AI promises to drastically improve productivity. Mundane tasks that consume so much of our time can be automated, freeing us up to focus on what really matters. Picture a world where AI assistants schedule our meetings, sort our emails, and even manage our to-do lists. In fact, this isn't a distant reality. It's happening right now. By taking over routine tasks, AI allows us to dedicate more time to creative and complex problem-solving tasks, leading to increased job satisfaction and output. Speaking of problem-solving, AI's potential in this area is truly mind-boggling. From climate change to humanitarian crises, we face challenges today that are global in scale and complexity. AI can analyze data at a speed and scale that humans simply can't match. It can identify patterns, make predictions, and suggest solutions that we might never have thought of. By augmenting our problem-solving capabilities, AI could help us tackle some of the biggest challenges facing humanity today. But wait, before we get carried away by the promise of AI, it's important to pause and consider the flip side. Yes, AI can revolutionize healthcare, transform education, boost productivity, and enhance problem-solving. But as with any powerful technology, AI also has its downsides. While AI promises many benefits, it also poses significant risks. Let's delve into the darker side of this technological marvel. First up, job displacement due to automation. The rise of AI and automation has brought with it the fear of mass unemployment. Machines are becoming increasingly capable not just in terms of physical labor, but in intellectual tasks too. Think about self-checkout tills in supermarkets or automated customer service chatbots. They're efficient, they don't need breaks, and they don't ask for a raise. But where does that leave the human cashier or the call center employee? As AI continues to evolve, we might see a future where many traditional jobs are simply obsolete. Now let's talk about privacy. With AI's ability to analyze and process massive amounts of data, privacy concerns have skyrocketed. Every time we use our smartphones, browse the web, or even walk down a street with surveillance cameras, we're leaving digital footprints. AI systems can gather and analyze these footprints, creating detailed profiles of our habits, preferences, and even predicting our future actions. This level of surveillance and data collection is unprecedented, and it's not always clear who has access to this information or how it's being used. Then there are deepfakes, AI's ability to create hyper-realistic fake videos or audio recordings. While it's fascinating to see a deepfake of a historical figure reciting a modern pop song, the implications are concerning. What happens when deepfakes are used to spread false information or to impersonate someone for nefarious reasons? The potential for misuse is enormous, and that brings us to our final point: the potential misuse of AI by malicious actors. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. In the wrong hands, AI could be used to create highly intelligent cyber attacks or to develop weapon systems with unprecedented capabilities. The ethical and security concerns surrounding this are immense. Yet, it's not all doom and gloom. These risks don't mean we should abandon AI, but rather, they highlight the need for careful consideration and regulation. We need to think about how we can create jobs in a future dominated by AI and automation. We need to ensure privacy laws keep pace with technological advances. We need to develop ways to detect and counter deepfakes. And we need to establish ethical guidelines and security measures to prevent the misuse of AI. As we embrace AI, we must also be aware of these risks and take steps to mitigate them. Because the future of AI isn't just about what it can do, it's also about what we allow it to do. And that's a conversation we all need to be a part of. The challenge then is to harness the benefits of AI while minimizing its risks. This is our balancing act, a delicate dance between the promise of a technologically advanced future and the potential pitfalls that may come with it. We can start by establishing ethical guidelines. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. By setting clear ethical boundaries, we can ensure that AI is used in a way that benefits all of humanity, not just a privileged few. These guidelines could include principles such as transparency, accountability, and fairness. AI should be open to scrutiny, held accountable for its actions, and used in a way that is fair to all. But ethical guidelines alone are not enough. We also need regulatory frameworks. These are the laws and rules that govern the use of AI. They could include everything from data privacy laws to regulations on how AI can be used in certain industries. Regulatory frameworks are essential for ensuring that AI is used responsibly and that its benefits are shared widely. Education about AI is another crucial element in our balancing act. Everyone, from students to policymakers, needs to understand what AI is, how it works, and what its implications are. This understanding is key to making informed decisions about AI and its role in our society. Finally, we need to foster a culture of openness and collaboration. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and we need to be ready to adapt and change as it does. By working together, by sharing ideas and insights, we can navigate the challenges and opportunities that AI presents. In this balancing act, there is no room for complacency. We need to be proactive, to anticipate the challenges that AI may pose, and to take steps to address them. We need to be thoughtful, to consider the ethical and societal implications of AI. And we need to be inclusive, to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared by all. By taking a balanced approach, we can ensure that AI serves humanity, not the other way around. This is our challenge, and this is our opportunity. Let's seize it. The future of AI is not set in stone. It is something we are creating every day. Like a master artist chiseling away at a block of marble, we are all part of this grand design. Each one of us, whether as technologists, policymakers, educators, or simply as curious, engaged citizens, has a role to play in shaping the future of this transformative technology. Artificial intelligence is not a distant, abstract concept confined to the realms of science fiction or high-tech laboratories. It's here in our daily lives, subtly and silently, making our tasks easier, our decisions smarter, and our experiences richer. But as we've seen, it's a double-edged sword. It's a tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how we wield it. That's why it's crucial for each one of us to stay informed about these emerging technologies. Understand their capabilities, their limitations, their implications. Don't let fear or ignorance dictate your perspective. Instead, arm yourself with knowledge. Participate in discussions about AI, ask questions, challenge assumptions, demand transparency. As we move forward, let's ensure that the technologies we develop reflect our shared values and aspirations. AI should not be used to deepen divides, but to bridge them. It should not be used to exploit, but to empower. It should not be used to deceive, but to illuminate. Remember, AI is not an end in itself, but a means to an end. And that end should be the betterment of all humanity. This is not a task for a select few. It's a collective endeavor requiring the participation of all of us. So, let's embrace this future with open minds and open hearts. Let's ensure that the promise of AI outweighs its perils. Let's make sure that as we design AI, we don't lose sight of our own humanity. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about creating smarter machines, but about creating a smarter, kinder, more inclusive world. Together, we can shape a future where AI benefits all of humanity. AI is a double-edged sword, capable of great good and great harm. These words echo the sentiment that has been resonating throughout our discussion today. As we embark on this journey into the future, it's essential to remember that artificial intelligence, in all its capacity and potential, presents us with both opportunities and challenges. We've explored the promise of AI, a world where machines can learn, adapt, and work alongside us, augmenting our abilities and pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve. From healthcare to transportation, from education to entertainment, the potential applications of AI are staggering. It offers us a vision of a future where our lives are enriched, our tasks are simplified, and our world is more connected. Yet we've also confronted the peril of AI, acknowledging the potential risks that come with this revolutionary technology. The threats of job displacement, privacy invasion, and autonomous weapons are real and imminent. We pondered over the ethical conundrums that AI brings forth, such as the question of accountability in decision-making processes and the potential for AI to perpetuate existing societal biases. In our journey through the landscape of AI, we've seen that the key lies in striking a balance. We need to harness the benefits of AI while mitigating its risks. This balancing act is not a task for a select few, but a collective responsibility that we all share. Policymakers, technologists, and citizens alike must come together to shape the rules, norms, and standards that will guide the development and deployment of AI. We have also talked about embracing the future, of stepping into the unknown with an open mind and a readiness to adapt. Change can be daunting, but it's also an opportunity for growth. As we navigate the complexities of this AI-driven future, let's remember to stay curious, stay informed, and stay engaged. Each one of us has a vital role to play in shaping this future, in ensuring that AI is used for the benefit of all, and not just a privileged few. In conclusion, the future of AI is a canvas yet to be painted. It's a story yet to be written. It's a journey yet to be completed. And we are the artists, the authors, the travelers. We have the power to shape this future, to determine how this story unfolds, to guide the course of this journey. So let's strive for a future where AI is a tool for empowerment, not a cause for displacement. A future where AI respects our privacy, not invades it. A future where AI enhances our abilities, not restricts them. A future where AI is a force for unity, not division. A future where AI is a partner, not an adversary. The future is in our hands. Let's make it a future where AI works for us, not against us.